Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you a very good design, compacted size, but very useful combination sander. It got a powerful 2.2 kilowatt motor. There are 3-phase and 1-phase motor for your option. There are 3 sanding functions. One is for drum sanding, second one is belt sanding, and third one is brush sanding. There is a very friendly design on its cover. This cover can change the airflow. The dust will flow to the opposite way. This function will efficiently prevent the user from eating dust. This sander is incredibly quiet and stable when it's running. With the easy control speed converter system, the speed can be adjusted from 0 to 4,500 RPM. The drum sanding can be used for straight and curved surface sanding. No need to push heavily. The motor is powerful enough. The belt sanding can be used for both edge sanding and surface sanding. And there's different model sanding belt available. The brush sanding head is versatile. It can be used for both sanding and polishing. Even all range of shape can be sanded. And you can use different sections of sanding head. This is a very versatile sanding machine. It is very useful for woodworking, both for shop or factory. And finally, it is a very affordable machine. You can buy it from our Alibaba shop or visit us on our web. And if you say you come from YouTube, we can give you a 10% discount. Subscribe on us, and we will share more useful woodworking machinery from China.